If you want to create this smooth cinematic wave animation in After Effects but don't know how to make it look this clean and satisfying, then this tutorial is exactly for you. Let's create this step by step. First of all, we will start After Effects, then go to create new composition and make your settings. Make sure background will be black and we will set duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Then go to shape and drag a star. Make sure it will be in center aligned, so we will align center. Then we will remove stroke will be 0. Now I will apply effect name is gradient ramp. Then we will change or set colors accordingly. I am applying these colors. Now we will add more effects. Second effect name is optic compensation. Then second will be fast box blur. Then wave wrap. We will apply wave wrap twice. You can see it's create some designs. You can experiment lots of designs like this. You can change the value and you will show different designs. You can play with this height, width, direction, rotation, everything. You will see new patterns. I change the direction. It's looking gorgeous. Then increase the height and width. You can see the changes. You can do anything, speed, direction, width, height, anything you want. And you can change type also, like you click here and you can see many types. Square, you can see this, shine, triangle, circle, many things. You can choose anything which you like. Look amazing. I like this noise. I like this. So on one thing, we can set the visibility, but here I am set 100%. If you want to learn this type of things, subscribe, share and like it. Thank you.